This new Citroen Basalt X can literally talk to you while you drive. So here we go. Let me show you how that works. Hey Kara, how far is Malad from where we are right now?
We're currently in Andheri East, and Malad is roughly around 12 to 15 kilometers away depending on the exact location. It should take about 30 to 40 minutes by road depending on traffic.
Which is the best F1 driver, Kara?
Right now, Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen are considered among the greatest. Both have shown incredible skill and consistency in recent years.
Can you talk in Marathi with me?
नक्कीच. आता आपण मराठीत बोलू शकतो.
महाराष्ट्राचा सर्व बेस्ट डिश कोणती आहे?
महाराष्ट्राची सर्वात मोठी प्रसिद्ध डिश म्हणजे वडापाव. पण याशिवाय मिसळ पाव, पुरणपोळी आणि पिठलं भाकरी हे सुद्धा खूप लोकप्रिय आहेत.
Okay, so what do you think about this new specific feature